Hello everybody, my name is Seth K Bani. Today we are going to learn how to colorize this particular photo. Now let me zoom in. What I normally do is I like to fix it using photo restoration, and this plugin or this newer filter or this tool is found in Adobe Photoshop Beta. Okay, so let's go to filter and you can see the newer filters over here. You can click on it and then it will show at the right side of the Photoshop interface. So you can see I normally scroll down and then go to photo restoration and I try to restore it. However, my laptop is not really good enough to be able to process this. I'm planning on getting an alien machine somewhere this year, maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks from now. Somebody wants to give it to me, I'll make a video on that, I promise you that. And once I'm done with it, let me zoom out. Once I'm done with it, I now go to Colorize. Now Colorize can be found in the regular Photoshop that we use, CC, and so if you have it, you just have to click over here to activate it. Automatically it will start processing on the device, trying to figure out the colors it should give it. And once it's done, we'll be able to see whether we can make some tweaks to it or not. So now these are the colors that we have, and you can see that the color on the shirt is quite different from the other ones as well. So we can try to fix it a little bit, and what we are going to do is we want to go to, let's click on it like this, click on the shirt, click on it, and then you want to eyeball the color. Just use your own intuition. I feel like it's somewhere here, and then I'll go a little bit in like this way, and then I'll click on, maybe come down a little bit, and I'll click on OK, and it will process it again and give us what it feels it is. Now you can keep on tweaking it until you get the color that you want. Okay, so you see it matches it a little bit. You can come back and then click over here to add or change the colors, and you could also come here and boost the saturation. But remember, the more you tweak it, the more it keeps on processing. If your RAM is not that good, if it's not 8 gig and above, and you don't have a good graphics card as well, I would advise you get it because this is going to require a lot of processing. Now once we are done, we are going to click on new layer. This way it will apply the new effect on a different layer for us. Click on OK, and then let's see. So you can see Control 0, it created it on a new layer for us, this particular layer. And from here we can right click it and convert to smart object, and then step into camera raw by going to filter, go and pick camera raw filter, and then apply those filters to it just to boost the colors a little bit. So from here you can just boost it up a little bit, and then give it a little bit, contrast it a little bit, maybe give it a little bit of exposure, and then the highlights also a little bit, and then drag the shadows down a little bit, the whites drag it up a little bit, boost the black and whites down a little bit, and then let's go, and then the vibrance, let's boost it up a little bit more. Okay, maybe boost the saturation also up a little bit, and then we can click on, let's drag the saturation down a little bit, and then let's pick the curve, let's drag this side, see, let's drag this side, and then we can click on OK. Now to process it for us and then to show us what we just did. Okay, so now this is what we came out with, and we can close it. So guys, this is it. All right, so now this is it. Now this is how it was before, and this is how it is now. And so you can even add more adjustments to it. Like I said, this is up to you as a graphic designer to do anything you think is really going to make this work. Okay, anything that you think is really going to make this work, and then maybe boost, just reduce it a little bit. Alright, so if you love this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.